Nyama, nyama. That's Quana. Quana Bands, y'all know her?
Girl, you just ate.
Steak taco?
Right here.
You want those?
This how it look?
Yeah, the flour taco?
Yeah. Can we, excuse me? I can order from you?
Girl, what all did you order?
Cause that was it. I had, like hot sauce.
Hot sauce?
And I don't want the steak pink. Y'all don't got no, I didn't want it pink.
Oh, okay.
I wanted it well done.
Alright.
That one probably like that too.
That one's good or no?
Let me see. Yeah, that one's straight, but
Alright.
I want some, I had sour cream, cilantro. Oh, okay. But I want like some hot sauce. The green one, you know what I'm talking about? It'd be like some type of sausage green. It's real hot.
Oh, you said you talking about peppers?
No, it's green. I want peppers too.
Oh, salsa?
Yeah, y'all got jalapenos?
Jalapenos, yeah.
Green salsa, yeah.
Alright.
That's some red one. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I said, that's Quana Bands, y'all know her. They keep talking about Keedsville. Take care of your kids. Baby, I take care of all my kids. My kids is well fed, baby. All my kids is super curled.
It's hot, baby. Just wait till it's cool down, okay? Wait till it cool down, mama.
One thing about these is don't speak on me. Then you, I ain't never. Cause remember that shit that happened yesterday? My cousin Denise, y'all chasing. Then you speaking on me, but you in jail. You're in jail. I ain't never thought another from a. Why you thinking about me? You in jail. You thinking, and then you thinking about a whole nother man that's not here no more. You go get what you looking for. I'm telling you. Then if we not in Toronto, we in America. That will smoke your stupid ass. I let Toronto shit. Only people we with from Toronto is Drake, OVO. No, you see, I unknown. Next, you ain't even eating your chicken. It's hot.
Oh.
Nature, say hey to live.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you. Nature. She don't want to talk to you. Nature. Nature. She watching DJ and Kyrie. Whoever DJ and Kyrie is, I'm finna come find y'all. We're gonna have to bring them out for nature party. What you mean, girl? What? I'm not really on a date, but I'm with Quana. I love you too. I'm having heartburn right now.
That shit hot as hell. Damn green shit.
You know we caught you lagging. They crashed the whip. Do y'all wanna watch me eat? Cuban better, Cuban better. Comment Cuban better, Cuban greater, Cuban raw.
Taco should be coming out.
Okay.
Can I get a cup of ice? A cup of ice?
Cuban raw.
Thanks for tuning in